Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Anydesk on both machines and getting the 9-digit ID for the remote device. Once done, enable unattended access or agree to incoming session permissions so transfers aren't blocked. Make sure the files you plan to send are grouped in one folder and note the destination folder path on the remote device. This reduces mistakes. Now connect using the remote Anydesk ID, accept the prompt, and proceed to open the session toolbar to access transfer tools. Once connected, click the File Transfer icon in the session toolbar or use drag and drop between windows to begin. You choose direction explicitly, local to remote or remote to local, so you don't overwrite important data. Use the built-in file browser to navigate to the exact folder on each side. This prevents accidental placement. Monitor transfer progress in the transfer dialog. If network latency appears, slow the transfer or split large folders. Make sure there's enough disk space, and that antivirus, after the transfer, verify integrity by opening a sample of transferred files and comparing sizes or checksums if needed. Once satisfied, close the Anydesk session and, for security, revoke unattended access or change the password if it was temporary. If something goes wrong, check common issues: local or remote firewall rules, NAT/router settings, or unstable Wi-Fi. As a quick fix, resend files in smaller batches or use the clipboard transfer for single files. These steps usually resolve stalled or failed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.